This is Richard, the dangerous Christian. Proverbs 11, first 3 verses. Dishonest scales are an abomination to the Lord, but an accurate weight is his delight. When pride comes, disgrace follows, but with humility comes wisdom. The integrity of the upright guides them. The perversity of the faithless destroys them. Dishonest scales are an abomination to the Lord. Well, what are dishonest scales? Well, a scale was something that we used to have with a plate on each side and a balance up here, and you put some weight here and some weight there and see if they were equal. And so what they did in the old days when they went and bought and sold, someone would bring in some gold. It could be a foreign coin or it could just be a lump of gold. They put it on the scale because gold was valued by its weight, and it still is. And they go, all right, well, we're going to sell you 4 cups of flour because you want to make a piece of bread. And it's going to take this tiny amount of silver. They might use less than the 4 cups and say it was 4 cups. Or you might say it's silver when it's really lead. So anytime there's dishonest scales, it's fraud and deceit. And God doesn't like fraud and deceit because all lies are from where? From Satan. So dishonest scales are
Satan's lie, cheating, stealing.
Dishonest scales are one of the biggest things. And even today in building homes, people will say they put in $4 tile and it was $1 tile. Always doing stuff like that. Hosea, it actually says that a merchant loves to defraud with dishonest scales in his hands. In Revelation, chapter 6, verses 5 and 6, and when the Lamb opened the 3rd seal, I heard the 3rd living creature say, "Come." And I looked and saw a black horse, and its rider held it in his hand, a pair of scales, and saying, "A quart of wheat for a denarius." And a denarii was a day's wage. Can you imagine?
1 day's wage for one bread.
One loaf of bread costing today $150 or $200.
Wow.
That's hyperinflation. And that's what comes from dishonest scales. When pride comes, disgrace follows. All right? And that's what happened to Satan, and it happens to everybody that operates in pride. The integrity of the upright guides them, but the perversity of the faithless destroys them. Well, integrity is a idea that you are morally virtuous. The word upright is another term for righteous, exactly right. Perversity was bad morals. Again, what this proverb is doing, introducing us to these 2 categories of people, the sinners and the wicked. We'll get more of that in the next portion.
Thank you for teaching. If you like the video, please subscribe it, share it with your friends, and give him thumbs up. God bless you all.